experiencing water supply. A project is also underway here to upgrade the current treatment works from design capacity of 2 megaliters per day to 4 megaliters per day. Honorable Speaker, construction of Adams reservoirs 5 and 6 will increase supply of water in areas such as Adams and Wamakuta at a cost of 20 million rand. Zwelibomvu water pipe phase 2 upgrade to improve water supply in the area and we have spent 27 million to deal with that upgrade. The city has been grappling with the issue of high non-revenue water, so these are the interventions which will be intervening with to change that situation. The city has commenced with the project, which is currently at design stage, to ensure that the issue of the Southern Aqueduct is indeed addressed. Honorable Councillors, for us to accelerate infrastructure to deliver in rural areas, we are engaging Amakosi on a proposal and communities or on a proposal of only 100 rand flat rate for rural communities who can afford it. Ngicela ukuyicacisa leso mlomo. Abantu bengasho ukuthi mina nginayo nje. Sithi ke labantu bakithi sebakhe imizi emihle endaweni zamakhosi, siyakubonga kakhulu lokho futhi kuyalenza idolobha lethu libukeke kahle nemiphakathi yakithi. Kodwa sithi siyocela nje kuphela u100 rand ukuthi njalo ngenyanga sikwazi ukuthi silungise idingo, sibafakele kahle idingo, behlale endaweni enedingo ezinakekeleke ngendlela efanele. Ngakho ke lokhu sikise emakhosini nasemphakathini sibhizi kumanje siyaxoxa nayo imiphakathi ukucela ukuthi usilekelele ngaleyo ndawo. Labo abangasebenzi ngeke bephoqeleke ukukhokha lo 100 rand ngoba abasebenzi.